Sir, what's your take on this na sinabi po ni Vice President Leni Robredo na kailangan munang i-recognize ng China yung sovereignty ng Philippines before any joint exploration?
Di ba nire-recognize ni China? Parang hindi ko. Over the West Philippine Sea. Kuminsan kasi si BP Leni, parang divorced from reality kung mag-statement eh. Kagaya nung sa war on drugs. Sabi niya, failure. Tapos kumambyo siya ngayon. Hindi naman daw yan ang ibig niya sabihin. Hindi ko na maintindihan kung anong gusto niya sabihin. But to respond to your question is whether or not, ano nga uli yun yan?
Whether or not the joint exploration should push through even if our sovereignty is not yet recognized by China in relation to the West Philippine Sea?
Well, in relation to the West Philippine Sea, we know that China is not recognizing our rights over there. In fact, they are saying that it's theirs. But nevertheless, they're open to negotiation. So, if it's open, then we will proceed, provided the terms are to our favor.
Okay, Nestor?
Sir, just a follow-up. The Vice President said that that should be one of our most basic demand, that before we enter into any contract with China, they recognize first our ownership and sovereignty over those areas, referring to these disputed areas in the West Philippine Sea.
She's entitled to her opinion. As far as this president is concerned, in this country, we will move with respect to our foreign policy on the basis of whether it is to our interests and whether or not it will boost the development leading to the progress of this land.
So the joint exploration will push through whether or not China will recognize.
The president, remember, the president said that, and China is open to that, and in fact would, or agreeable to the 70-30 or 60-40, 60-40 sharing.